Hello, my name is Thomas Wright. We are going to be doing some testing with a Jaltest system. We are working on a Peterbilt 397. Today we have already gone ahead and turned on our truck. We're hooking up our Jaltest communicator. We have a 6-pin 1708 system running, so we're going to lock that in right here. We're going to get down and we're going to pull up our Jaltest program. We're going to pull up our Jaltest system. We have this 6-pin right here. We're going to go ahead and enter the VIN. Alright, now we are reading for all fault codes right here. This shows us up here in this corner right here that we have a J1708 system that we're running on. Alright, so this gives us, we have 9 occurrence of this within our ABS system, and we have 4 occurrence in our engine. We're going to go ahead and click on our engine, connect to our engine ECM. We're going to go read fault codes first.
This way. I don't know. Ask him.
And right here we can see that we have 1 active fault. We have 2 inactive faults and another. So right now we're worried about our active fault. We have an atmospheric pressure voltage. So over here we can tell we have a parameter fault. This would be where we can find it. We can pull that up on our Protoman, which I'll show you in a bit. So we're gonna go back on this. We're gonna go through our parameters. This will show us our go ahead and 1 second. There we go. Spare mode, and we are going to hit OK. And this will give our max vehicle speed, which would be 100 miles per hour. And going through here, we can also check our maximum speed limit of cruise control, our idle shutdown, our idle speed, which is right there. And with that, we can also go back in here and change this times right here under modify. Be able to change the idle shutdown timer. We're going to close out of that. There's multiple other different parameters that we can go through, change depending. We're going to go into our monitoring. We're going to do our live data selection on our. We're going to go ahead and crank up our truck. Clear. I'm going to select all data. And run it this way. This allowed me to go through and see what all my different parameters as we're as live action. So our engine's RPMs, our fuel pressure. With this, we are able to tell where we have a problem with this running. We're also able to shut off different areas. See all of our different parameters, what's on, what is off. We're going to go back. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect, and right here, that takes me out of our engine ECM. We're also able to go do just a baseline data live stream. See where we're at without going into any individual component or ECM. Be able to go through and read all of our different quick look through. So now I'm going to go back and we're going to go onto my Protoman to find out what troubleshoot process I need to go through in order to write down my fault code so that I can go in and find the troubleshooting for it. It would have been a PID. (108) FMI3. So that's how I would use my Jaltest to connect to my Peterbilt and pull fault codes, view parameters, and watch and monitor my systems. Thank you. This is Thomas Wright. Have a good day.